guys, so it's Sunday evening and I want to plan in my old planner. I haven't used it for a long time. I think in Tenerife in December last year. Yes. It got too bulky because of all those stickers, but I want to use it to plan what I want to edit the upcoming week, which is, I think best would be to do German on Monday, because that's also when the live in German should be. Also, I have to work in the hotel from 3 to that's not even here. Okay, 21, 22, 23. I have to work until 11 p.m. By the way, where's the 15? Is it on the beginning or in the end of this line? I think in the beginning, so that's not correct. I'm always happy that I have an erasable pen, which I have in my Amazon affiliate link also. Now I need yeah, I don't know if I have to work more than those 2 days, because it depends a lot on who is ill and who wants to have a day free, because I wasn't there. So I wasn't in the hotel at the reception for a year, and maybe I shouldn't plan, because I have to be spontaneous. But if possible, what is this? I want to do English on Tuesday, French on Wednesday, and on Thursday I want to do Spanish, and Friday Italian, and Saturday Russian, and Sunday will be publishing and blog posts. So for German I have the topic of living in my car, which is on Mona's SUV Reisen, and I only have 4 videos uploaded, I think, at the moment, which is not enough. Or is it less? I think it's less. What am I doing? Hi. So, let me check. Not listed. Only 3, which still needs thumbnails. So, edit 4. And I still have to do publishing here. I did publishing like YouTube and Patreon, and I did, so I have 15 channels, which are Mona's SUV Reisen, Park It Where You Love It, Voyage en VUS, Teneriffa Van Life, Viaggi in Macchina. Life in My SUV is my Russian channel. Then I have Polyglot Mona. And what are those cards? There's a pocket to put them here. And Polyglot Park It Love It. And then I have 365 steps. German, English, French, Spanish, Italian and Russian. And I also have a hiking guide. extra, but I don't think that I will use it anymore because it's only in German, and I have my hiking guide also on Polyglot Mona. So those two are the most important for me. They are the language learning channels. But this one is the one where I earn money because I have 1010 subscribers. So I have to upload every day because they like to have a new video every day. So I published on YouTube. I scheduled 6 long videos and 6 short videos for the next week. And I didn't do anything else. So I still have to do all this publishing, which is crazy. But it's only 8 p.m. so I can do that. There are not so many. Oh, it was 7. Yeah, for each weekday. But there are not 7 videos on each channel. I edited something for Polyglot Pocket Love It today and uploaded it. But yeah, okay, tomorrow I have to edit 4 for my German channel about living in my car, and then about, let's say, 3 for 365 steps in German. And I don't have to do my hiking guide channel really, but I could if I had time left. But then also for Polyglot Mona and Polyglot Pocket Love It, I have to do 1 video. And the next one in German on Polyglot Pocket Love It is 1000 nouns. 1A baby, and the next one on Polyglot Mona in German is, it's confusing because I'm starting a lot of things and then I can't complete them, and then I did hygiene 1 today in German. So room tour, I just have to check. So no, so I began. Where did I begin? Here? But no, here. This was where I decided, okay, I will only have the ebook pages to watch while I'm talking, and then in the other video, in the other languages, my teachers will talk and we will have the ebook translated. And I want to have it designed beautifully in Canvas. And then I did where do I have this list? I started a list offline on a paper, but I don't know where it is. It's not here because those are daily sheets. And I'm not sure. Oh no, it broke. Or is it just... What did I do? I think that's the normal thing that you can open it, because you have to take out those, what are they? Those dots. but no. I don't know how. I have to deal with that later. So here are my task cards, but here's no list. Those are my daily sheets, but no list. Oh, I think I found it. I think it's here. Okay, this is GoPro, docs, Canva presentations. I started with Q&A, and I completed hygiene, all the canvas. I started also with books, but it's not ready. Nouns and verbs. Verbs I did, and nouns I have the Spanish, and the first story is about the rabbit. Yeah, I think that's all. Non-scripted videos, shorts, blog posts, Shopify, edit. Get one of my planners now, either on Shopify or on Amazon, or check out my sticker sheets. They are very beautiful. All links, as always, in the description. And now have a lot of fun. Hiking guide. So the disclaimer is completely ready, and the hiking guide as well, the first one. The disclaimer, the hiking guide. Room tour. Room tour I did German and English. Conclusion, German, English, French, Spanish, Italian, Russian. I did all of them. A room tour and French. And hygiene, German. I have to do nomad, room tour, VW Passat in Spanish, Italian and Russian. PM, room tour. PM, room tour, and also in Russian. PM, room tour. And hygiene would be then in English and French. PM hygiene. PM hygiene. And then the verbs. I can't I'm not sure if I have to do that like this, because that means that it's 5 videos here. Here it's 1 video, because on Polyglot Pocket Love It I have bilingual videos. And on Polyglot Mona it's all videos in 6 languages. But it's only 1 language. So T stands for 1 German video. But here German means 5 German videos with 5 different bilingual texts. And I did all the German ones, all the English ones, all the French ones. I think the Spanish are also ready for the 1000 verbs number 1. Yeah, I only have to put the thumbnail. So the Spanish are ready. And I have to begin with Italian. Italian German. But that's Italian. It's an Italian audio, so it has to go here. So that's Polyglot 1000 verbs, and it's Italian German, Italian English, Italian French, Italian Spanish, Italian Russian. There's no Italian. And nouns. I did the baby in German and Spanish because my son now learns Spanish. So I told him I would edit more Spanish videos for him. So, but I have to start with German again. I don't know. And the rabbit is an old audio of a teacher I don't work with anymore. And there's 1 sentence double and 1 missing. So I told my new teacher, Valentina, to make the complete audio for this video again. So I have to redo it then. So, nouns. Then I don't have anything. So German, yeah, that's why I put the nouns here. And that's German English, German French, German Spanish, German Italian, German Russian. It's not a long video, so I should be able to do that before 3. I normally get up at 7:30. So, and in Polyglot Mona, German. I already did hygiene today, so Q&A. I will do Q&A. And that's 000 what's on my channel. And the hiking guide. I could continue because well, here are only the German ones, and there are millions of of hiking guide presentations ready. I only have to make the audio. Yeah. So this one was the last one. It's not complete. So Loisach, which is the name of the river, part 1, see, because I've divided it into several parts, because then it won't be longer than 8 to 10 minutes. Because there I have one that's 21 minutes. And if you compare it to the 15 minutes, the 15 minutes did get more views. But I don't know, the first one of Tenerife got nearly 100 views. And what about the lakes? There are a lot of views on the first ones about Lake Ama. And yeah, okay. For example, this was 3 months ago. April. I have to do more. I have to be more disciplined, and I will do my AM routine at work. Because sometimes I can do some 2-minute tasks here. 2-minute tasks, I mean, like sometimes they are 10-minute tasks, but I can do things during work sometimes when I don't have emails, calls, check-ins. And then I can do some easy tasks, but I can't edit when I'm alone at work. It's just not possible. And I can't record audios. So I will edit in the morning from 7:30, let's say 8, because I have to get up at 7:30. I have to eat something. And I will go to work at 2. I have to go to a parking lot. So this is commute. I have to color code my day because it's very, very full. So from 7:30 or 8 until 1:30 I can edit. And for this I need an audio. I can record the audio in the car when it's not too hot. So I should start with the audio in the morning. Do I need an audio for this? No, I already have an audio for this. I only need the audio for this. So audio at 8. Oh my god, oh my god, oh my god. Well, what do I do now? Okay, let's say this is number 1. Then edit is number 2. Commute is number 3. Work in the hotel is 4. And my AM routine, 2-minute tasks, which are my hiking guide and a social media post and some short